Yan. Ghost train. The witch.
Train.
They go where? They go
I
in
guess they
where?
take the other end.
Oh, the other side.
Yeah.
Hala, horror. May pugot na
You
ulo.
want me to put my flash on? So
Ayan. I have a plush on. Where is my plush on?
keep going though. This is the end.
Megan doesn't care about this. Ooh. Oh gosh.
Yeah, keep going. Gets better and better.
Horror talaga siya. My God. Yan. Gusto niyong pumunta dito, guys? Horror na dito. Ayan, oh. Oh, is that,
Keep going.
ayan,
An
pugot
horror
na
train.
ulo. Horror train.
Horror train.
No, not an horror train. A ghost train. But they are not the ghost.
I don't know. It's a Halloween special.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's moving.
They put him inside a cage.
I will help him. Ay! It's too much. Hala. Oh my God. Nanood din kayo, guys. May nanonood. Hi! Manood ka rin. Nandito ako.
Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
Hala.
I think she needs ointment. She's got red eyes.
Now I'll find you, and you're all going to die.
So corny.
Well, in the Philippines, we have a ghost horror booth, and then it's a human. They are
Ah, yeah.
they're having a costumes, and then
yeah.
they will grab you.
My friend,
Oh,
they do that every year.
The
too.
first time. Okay, we're done. Whew. And there's another there.
There's more to see.
Where? The area?
No, in here.
I think nothing to see in that area there. Ayun, oh.
It must have been a maintenance shop there for the train.
Well, it is, it's been a long time like that. Oh, ayan yung horror train na pinasukan namin. Ayan yung horror train. Pinasukan namin. Ay. I zoom it. Ayan pa siya. Lab, can you zoom out this one? I zoom it too much. I just need to finish it.
Yes.
Oh, it's okay.
It won't zoom in.
Zoom out. Ayan o, as biggest. Oh, there's a lot of horror. Oh no, it's two. It's two of them. All trained. They're all trained. Ayan. Ayan. Circle to siya eh. Bilog siya. Ayan. Mga old siya. So, they call this ghost town. Ayan. Yung laki. Kata-cute. Ha? Oh. Hindi ko na ma-zoom out. Laki. Oh, that's a Pirates. What's that? Lapit na kasi yung ano